Hello viewers, today I am showing or solving how to create Excel barcode very easily and very easily use this barcode system in Excel. How to create or how to design this system we have showing. So viewers, let's go and enjoy these videos. First time you visit www.epsolving.com and download barcode font very easy. This font install very easily. Download the font, start. And download. We already download this barcode, and this barcode font unzip first time and install this software very easily. We already this software already installed it, so you try it and install automatic. So viewers, we have already installed this barcode. Try to we have show this font. I have show this font. This is font. More for install these videos. This software automatically install barcode this software, and you used more barcode font. So viewers, we are showing how to set barcode. We have this number showing barcode, this cell, so equal then 100. We already selected barcode font. This is barcode font. You try it, any barcode font. More font already installed. More font, please check. More font install. This barcode font very easily used, and this is more equal it system, just sorry, it like this, this. We have already selected this code 39. You will try it and enjoy the barcode font, and used automatic Excel barcode, and use more working system. So viewers, this is very easy and very easily set up and designed you. So viewers, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. me that you love me.